व्हाट इज इंट्यूशन? बहुत सारे लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि ये देखना मतलब नॉर्मल लोगों में आप ये नहीं देख सकते. सब बोलते हैं कि हाँ मतलब मेरा गट फीलिंग है. वी ऑल यूज दीज वर्ड्स वेरी लूजली कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये होने वाला है, और कभी कभी हो भी जाता है, बट इट्स नॉट ऑल द टाइम. एंड व्हाट दे आर डूइंग इज समथिंग मैजिकल. सो व्हाट इज इंट्यूशन अकॉर्डिंग
So
टू?
first of all, it's not magic. Second, it's not tricks. Third, we are not doing any psychic activities here. It's simple pranayamas that are taught to children over the span of 17 days, over 3 weekends.
Okay.
So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then the last Sunday is a follow-up. Across the world, any city, any state, any country, art of living process is there. You can look out for it for your 5 to 18-year-old children, number one. Second, intuition क्या है? Intuition है पहला विचार, फर्स्ट थॉट. हमारे माइंड में इतने सारे थॉट्स बम्बार्डेड होते हैं कि हमें पता नहीं हमारा फर्स्ट थॉट क्या होता है, और जो फर्स्ट थॉट होता है वही सही थॉट होता है. दैट्स द राइट थॉट. सो द राइट थॉट एट द राइट टाइम विद द राइट एक्शन, दैट इज इंट्यूशन. नाउ एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ आपको मैं सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए. एग्जाम है, एग्जाम पेपर सामने है, राइट? हम क्वेश्चन देखते ही भूल जाते हैं आंसर. और कब याद आता है? जैसे हम एग्जाम हॉल
के बाहर आते
के बाहर आते हैं, अरे टिंग ऐसे होता है, अरे यार मेरे को याद था, भूल गया मैं. क्यों भूल गया था? स्ट्रेस था,
ओके,
या डर था, या कहीं मतलब कोई तो झिझक थी, you know, some kind of a fear is there, so they forget it. So the right thought has not come at the right time. The right thought has come at the wrong time. एग्जाम के टाइम पे आंसर की जरूरत थी, पर आंसर कब मिला?
बाद में मिला.
बाद में मिला. तो
और ये सबके साथ होता
तो
है.
ये इंट्यूशन नहीं है.
ओके.
तो सही समय पे अगर सही विचार आ गया, सही समय पे अगर आपको समझ में आ गया कि ये व्यक्ति से बात करनी है, ये व्यक्ति से नहीं बात करनी है, अब बच जाओगे. सही समय पे आपने करियर चूज कर लिया. अब बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स क्या होते हैं, मेडिकल ले लेते हैं, इंजीनियरिंग ले लेते हैं, आर्किटेक्चर ले लेते हैं, फिर 1 ईयर के बाद उनको होता है, ओ माय गॉड, यू नो, आई मेड द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक ऑफ माय लाइफ. एंड देन यू ड्रैग इट, you go through it, and then you change, you go to an MBA or something like that, because that right thought has not come to you at the right time.
Okay.
It has come to you at the wrong time. So like this, we have so many examples. When we are studying, when we are playing sports, maybe you hit a wrong run and you got out.
Yeah.
But if your intuition is working, you will make the correct moves. If you're a goalkeeper, you will already be in a position that I feel is going to come here. So our children are ready. You know, live examples are Divya Kriti. She won the equestrian gold in the Olympics.
Oh, wow.
She's an intuition process practitioner. Divya Tadigol, she won the silver in shooting, rifle shooting. She is a she practices intuition process. So she was saying that, you know, on that spot, in that level of pressure, this is what helped me.
Wow.
I was so relaxed. Divya Kriti was saying I was able to communicate with the horse. I was able to feel what is going to happen. I knew what move to make next. So these are things, these are abilities that children have to learn when they are studying young. In no school or no institution have they been taught how to handle the mind.
Yeah.
It's not about blindfold activities again. You know, when we see the activities, you will see, how does that child know it is red? Look at the clarity in mind. How does that child know it is green? How does that child know if a picture you're giving or a photograph you're giving, that if it's a pineapple, it's a pineapple. I can say apple, I don't know what it is. I have no idea.
Yeah.
Because we are so cluttered in our mind. कि strawberry भी हो सकता है, apple भी हो सकता है, pineapple भी हो सकता है, पता नहीं क्या है. पर इन लोगों में इतनी क्लैरिटी आ जाती है माइंड में, इतना शार्प हो जाता है इनका माइंड कि ये लोग पकड़ लेते हैं.
So it's like the first thought that they get, they stick to it.
Yes.
And that is beautiful.
And that is the training that is given to them. Nothing else. It's as simple as doing the pranayamas. So pranayama से क्या है आपको बताती हूँ मैं. Prana is energy. Yama is दिशा देना उसको, giving a direction.
Yeah.
So children are so distracted, right? Digital distraction है, boyfriend girlfriend distraction है, social distraction है, friends का pressure है, social media distraction है.
100%.
Right? So they don't know what to do when, right? And their energy is very scattered.
Yeah.
Now, if you ask me, why does a child shout? Because energy is dissipated. उसकी energy बिखरी हुई है.
Yeah, because a lot of it is in there and they don't know where to channelize it.
Yes. And then is a boom.
Yes. Yeah.
Blast.
Yeah.
And parents are not able to see this happen because they have seen that child so pure, so innocent, कितना मासूम बच्चा अपने हाथ में देखा है, सडनली वो ऐसे राक्षस का रूप हो गया है. उसकी एनर्जी बिखर गई है. क्यों? क्योंकि एडोलेसेंस में क्या होता है, हार्मोनल चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, इंटरनल चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, आउटर एक्सटर्नल चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. सडनली प्री स्कूल से मिड स्कूल, मिडिल स्कूल से हाई स्कूल, and there are so many things that are changing.
Yeah.
Thoughts are changing, emotions are changing, people are changing around them.
Yes.
Right? So they are not able to handle what is happening. And for that, they go on to their friends or probably the media to find out a solution, maybe a chat GPT.
Or even the wrong ways are adopted at a very young age.
Right.
Because
so temptations come in at that.
Yeah, they cling to the wrong things for love, for attention, for a lot of things.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So it's very important to channelize their energy at the right time.
Okay.
And that's why we say it's better that you do it at inception, 5 years. Anyways, it's not late. The intuition process can happen between 5 to 18 at any point of time. And then they continue this all their life.
Okay.
So एक इतना बड़ा advantage है कि तुम even when you turn 70, you'll still be able to practice it. But 18 के बाद आप initiate नहीं हो सकते. You can't be taught.
So it's like, yeah, so I want to get there also. So it's like a skill जो आपने बचपन में आपने एक conditioning, एक wiring कर दिया है.
Yes.
At a young age.
Programming.
And you can access it anytime in your life.
Right.